Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. We are doing a Thanksgiving side dish for you today, guys. Reducing inflammation, gut health, improving digestion, slowing the signs and symptoms of the common cold down, reducing cancer cell growth, guys. That's what we're going to be included in a Thanksgiving side dish right now. But this bad boy, it boasts a wallop, and that's what I'm talking about. Cranberries, let's get it. Alright guys, I actually just got done eating my last video food that I made. Totally scrumptious, you gotta check it out. Chia seeds, overnight oats, and then I did a little bit of the Snickers bar after that for a little bit of dessert. But today we are focusing on a Thanksgiving side, okay? This bad boy is a beast. It's a big meal. It could probably fit in this bowl alone and you'll be walking away with a healthy, filled gut, guys, okay? I'm gonna bring you over here. Let me show you what I got going on. Alright guys, so this is what I have going on over here. I got some fresh cranberries in boiling water right here. I want to go ahead and make sure the skin is broken off on that, alright? So I get the meaty flesh, because we're going to go ahead and strain the cranberries through here like that and put it on top of our acorn squash. I've already removed the seeds. We don't want to be biting into any seeds right here, okay, while we're eating it. This right here is just acorn squash, guys, cut in half, okay? Big, meaty, and beastie. This right here boasts a huge, fulfilling lunch or dinner. So I've removed the insides. This is cooled down. This is baked on 400 for like an hour. This is basic brown rice. If you don't like brown, go ahead and use white. If you don't like white, go ahead and use something else, okay guys? I do have an avocado right here. I do have a lime. If you don't like a lime, go ahead and use a lemon. I'm going to go ahead and turn the cranberries off. So again, and I also have some ginger, yellow in color, beautiful. We're going to go ahead and grate on the top of that. So this is a Thanksgiving, simple, easy, vegan side. So you got the acorn squash. We have the seeds removed. That's already done. Okay? Then we have the brown rice and the cranberries. Okay? So without further ado, this is how I do it. Okay? So I go ahead and strain the water out. Okay? Very simple and very easy. Then what I have is another strainer. Okay? We're going to come over here like this. We're going to pour the remaining cranberries in there. Okay? We're going to set that aside for a second. Then we're going to go ahead and fill our acorn squash, guys, with some rice. If you sat down and you ate this, you would be full. Plain and simple. Very hearty, very beefy, guys. Okay? Beautiful on that. Beautiful on that. Move this over a little bit so you can see it. Remember, if you don't have any brown rice, you can go ahead and use white. You can use quinoa. You can use millet. Whatever you have. You don't even need to use rice. You can use something else, okay? Right there. All done with that. Look at that already. That is beastie right there. And I haven't even topped it off with any of the toppings yet, guys. Okay? So, the trick here is we want the meaty portion on the inside of the cranberry. Okay? That's what I'm looking for. So, any type of ball jar is going to do. If you've seen any of my other videos, this is how I make homemade coconut milk, homemade almond milk, homemade hemp milk, okay? Take any type of ball jar or a cup, it really doesn't matter. Make sure it's flat. Get a strainer, a fine mesh strainer, and a bowl, okay? So here we go. We're going to push it through like that. And as you can see on the bottom is going to be cranberries on the skin, on the screen right there. Did you see that? That's what I'm looking for. That's exactly what I'm looking for. You actually want to push that jelly, the inside of it, through the mesh strainer, guys. That is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Did you see that? Look at that. It might not drip down because of the cranberries. It's viscous, it's very thick, okay? Beautiful on that. So we're just going to go ahead and get a little type of a knife to scrape that. Move that over. There you go. Watch this. Look at that. That is crazy good. That's what I'm looking for. Cranberries, guys, reduces urinary tract infections, glowing skin, reduces the signs and symptoms of a common cold. Now you can go ahead, if you want to go ahead and eat that, by all means, go right ahead, guys, but I'm going to put that over there like that. I'm coming over here with this bad boy, okay? I'm licking the knife right there as I speak, okay? So we're going to go ahead and probably get the same spoon that we used for the rice. I'm going to put this right up here because I want you to see this. This is just pure cranberry jelly. That's it. No sugars, no extra ingredients, okay? We're going to put a couple dollops there. We're going to put a couple dollops there and a couple dollops right there. We're going to do the same thing on this side. See if we get one more. Beautiful on that. Wow, look at that. So right now we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut an avocado because I want to go ahead and flank that on either side of my acorn squash. Remember, guys, this is a very easy and very simple type of vegan side dish. All right, guys? Very easy, very simple. And it doesn't take a lot of time either, you know? It does not take a lot of time. Remember, all my ingredients in all my videos, you can go ahead and substitute them. Let me get this. That tastes so good. Let's see if I can get these out without busting them. Because I'm looking for the nice, there you go. See that? Beautiful. The nice slices, that's what I'm looking for. Beautiful on that one. Beautiful on that one. And the third one coming at you. We're going to make this one work. Look at that. This one I don't know about. We're going to figure it out. There's one, right? We'll go right here. There's two. And there's three on that one. That one kind of broke, but that's okay. We'll put that right there on the side. And we have this one right here. We have the one. That tastes so good. I love avocado. We're going to put a little one over there. He's going to be sitting on the corner just hanging out. We have that one. And we have this one. And I'm not going to even waste this last one right here. I love avocado. Good for the amino acids and the fiber, guys, all right? Go ahead and eat that. Let's see what we have over here. We have, put that over there. And we have the last one right there. Wipe my hands a little bit. We do have a lime coming on top. Beautiful. Beautiful. Slice that down the middle right there. We're going to put the limes on the side right there. How's that? We're going to put that over there. That is almost ready to be served. Look at that. Now, everything is, I have any spice that I want. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a little bit of sea salt on top. Hit it with some good fresh pepper, guys. Okay, beautiful. You know what I'm feeling? I'm feeling smoked paprika. That's what I'm feeling right there. Look at the redness. Beautiful. That's almost as big as my hand, guys, like the circumference wise. Look at that. That is a beastie type of side dish. Wow. Who wouldn't eat that? All right, there you have it, guys. The cranberries, boasting the vitamin C, the squash, the limes, the avocado. We have the rice, a bulky Thanksgiving side just for you. My name is Joseph. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Until next time, guys, be safe, be well. You got this, and you're worth it. Thank you.